Hello guys, I got A12. The problem is the device is not on, which means it's a connector problem. Now one of my customer I received, he told me the situation and I diagnosed the problem. Let me try to run. Well, the best way is to need to put in a charger, okay, so that you can see, because I forgot to come with the switch. Let me put it in the charger so that you can see. Even the charging board that I got, it's making the machine off. You can see everything is connected. No anything. Now I would like to take this board, it's coupled also. You can see this is Samsung A12. I want to switch some connectors, this one to that one. Now the first step, I have to show you everything before I do everything. This one is the worst one. It's making my machine off. Hold on, let me put it right. You see? No reaction at all. And now what I have to do, I have to change the connector, but that is not the case over here. I can also fix what is wrong with this device. I realize there's a display IC problem. I can also do that, but my customer, you are saying, no, why couldn't I fix this one? You need some information and some stuff there. You want to go to school, blah blah, and I say no problem, I will do so. Now you have to put everything precisely. Let me mark some boards. This is the board I have to take off the key. All the boards are good state, okay. Now first step, I have to use solder and paste. What else? I need two things. Sorry for my stencil, I didn't got it. I didn't realize I will have that kind of job. But one thing I can say to you technicians, as I'm doing this, you have to be guarding. If you don't have any tool that you can use it to do charging system and so stuff, but this one for the ICs, you need some what am I going to say, you need a stencil, okay. To me, to remove here, I have to use small heat, and I'll blow the heat with the air station, small small 350. As me, I use 450, but don't try to do like me, because also what matters is how you put your air station. Okay, how you got the air station and the gaps. Okay, I'll be doing. I want you to watch. This device of mine have too much stuff inside. Okay, let's continue. This one we have to be extra careful, very careful. I have sharpened this to cut this guy. Okay. Check rust first. Now is the moment where I put back the connector. This one we have to be extra careful, you know. We have to put it precisely. Presentable. Okay. Don't mind because I'm Botswana there. See, this guy is claiming. No, I'm just helping you guys. Okay. But this one is supposed to be putting itself back because of solder and paste. It's supposed to be positioning itself, but also those paste gone there. I don't know. I'll deal with it. We might go to the other components there. If someone knows what soldering paste works for, just put from the comment there. For the soldering paste, we use it for some stuff. I'll be asking. Let me put it less than 2 minutes to be warm. After that, I'll be removing those rust. 2 minutes, no, even 1 minute. But please like and subscribe for my channel. This is the job I was wanted you to see. Shalom.